Standard 8 subject general science, measurement and effect of heat. Study about effect on heat on a gas. Look at the picture here. A gas does not even have a fixed volume. Gas expand on heating, but if the gas is fixed in a closed box, its volume contact increases, but its pressure also increases. This is shown in the figure. Look at the picture here. Effect on heat on gas here. Here burner and heating on a bottle, that is a fixed piston here. It's movable piston. And one question again here. Question number 1. Look at this. Using the formula density is equal to mass upon volume, explain what will be the effect on heat on the gas kept in a closed bottle. The answer is density of the gas will be remain same, as there is no change on the mass and volume of the gas. Now question number 2 again. If the bottle is not closed but has a movable piston attached to its open end, see the figure, what will be the effect on heat the gas in the bottle? Look at this here. That is a movable piston and burner on heating, and answer is that question number 2, the piston will move. The piston will move upwards as the gas expands. As the gas expand. Therefore, the expansion of gas is measured by keeping its pressure constant. Therefore, piston move in upward direction, but its pressure is constant. That is the answer, your question number 2. And now start exercise 14 and question number 1. Question number 1. Whom should I pair with? Group A, temperature of a healthy human body. In group B, select the answer. Here 296 K, 90.8.6 Fahrenheit, 0 degree Celsius and 212 Fahrenheit. But here given in Fahrenheit answer. The temperature of a healthy human body is 36.96 degree Celsius, but here not given, but given into Fahrenheit. Therefore answer is here 98.6 Fahrenheit. First pair. Second pair is boiling point of water. Boiling point of water as given is fourth is 212 Fahrenheit. Answer is 212 Fahrenheit. Now third question is the room temperature. Here 296 K Kelvin and freezing point of water, and last answer is in a given degree, therefore 0 degree Celsius. Now start again the question number 2. Question number 1, that is B. Who is telling the truth? Who is telling the truth? Or state whether the following statement are true or false. Okay. First one, the temperature of a substance is measured in joules? No. Therefore, answer is false. But true is that the temperature of a substance is measured in degree, the Celsius, then Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Now start the question number 2. B. Heat flow from an object at a higher temperature to an object at lower temperature. Okay, and that is true. Answer is true. Now third, the joule is the unit of heat. The joule is the unit of heat, and answer is also heat is a unit joule. Answer is true. Now start 4. Object contract on heating. म्हणजे पदार्थाला उष्णता दिल्यास ते आकुंचित पावतात. दॅट इज रॉंग. देअरफॉर आन्सर इज फॉल्स. But correct answer is object on heating is expand. Okay. Now start fifth number question. Atom of a solid are free. Atoms of solid are free. Please tell me the answer. No. That means it is false, because atoms of solid are bonded to each other due to the force acting between them. Now 6. The average kinetic energy of atom in a hot object is less than the average kinetic energy of atom in a cold object. True or false? उष्ण वस्तूच्या अणूंची सरासरी गतिज ऊर्जा थंड वस्तूंच्या अणूंच्या सरासरीच्या गतिज ऊर्जेपेक्षा कमी असते. आन्सर इज दॅट false. Why? The average kinetic energy of atom in a hot object is more than the average kinetic energy of atom in a cold object. See question. You will find if you search शोधाल तर सापडेल. First question is, a thermometer is used to measure, म्हणजे तापमापी हे उपकरण टिंबटिंब मोजण्यासाठी वापरतात. आणि त्याचं उत्तर आहे तापमान. तापमानाला इंग्रजीमध्ये म्हणतात टेम्परेचर. आन्सर इज टेम्परेचर. टेम्परेचर. फर्स्ट आन्सर डी. द ॲपरेटस यूज टू मेजर हीट इज कॉल्ड, म्हणजे उष्णता मोजण्यास टिंबटिंब हे उपकरण वापरतात. आन्सर इज कॅलरीमीटर. क्वेश्चन सी. Temperature is the measure of the dash dash kinetic energy of the atom in a substance. तापमान हे वस्तूतील अणूंच्या टिंबटिंब गतीज ऊर्जेचे प्रमाण असते. त्यालाच आपण म्हणतो सरासरी म्हणजेच काय ॲव्हरेज. And fourth question is the heat contained in a substance is the measure of the dash dash kinetic energy of the atom in the substance. मराठीत एखाद्या वस्तूतील उष्णता ही त्याच्यातील अणूंच्या टिंबटिंब गतीज ऊर्जेचे प्रमाण असते. म्हणजेच त्या ठिकाणी एकूण गतीज ऊर्जेचे प्रमाण असते. या ठिकाणी एकूण म्हणजे काय टोटल. Okay, and I will stop here and subscribe it. Thanks to all. Okay, exercise 14 and question number 1.